Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the Google Chrome color theme. Let's jump straight into it guys. Open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select settings guys. Select you and Google. If you see in here your profile icon, then you just need to click on it guys. In my case I didn't logged in to the Google Chrome. That's why I'm getting option customize your Chrome profile. In your case you will be get the profile icon. Click on it and pick a theme color you want it, and I'm gonna select a purple or anything like that. And you can also customize the color of it guys. Click on it and you can customize what color you want it, and you can also type the RGB code or percentage HLS and this HEX code, and that's all. You have to select it guys. You can select various colors you like it, and after selecting it you can also use the pen icon over here. Choose outside color. For example, Camtasia color is green. It will get green guys, and that's how you change the color in your Chrome profile guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.